So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. You're going to make the startup type disabled. And then you're going to click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped. So make sure you have Windows Update on disabled and stopped, and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, for the second step, you're going to head it with search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive with the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Windows. Now you want to find a folder called Software Distribution. So we're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. You want to delete everything in this folder. So just highlight over everything here and then click on delete. And now you're going to tick do this for current items and then continue. If it says that the action cannot be completed, you're going to tick this do this for current items and then click on skip. It's now going to delete most of the files in this folder. And then once you've done that, you now want to come back into services. You're going to find Windows Update, double click on it. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on OK. Now you're going to double click on Windows Update again and then click on start, which is now going to start the service. It's going to make it running and then click on OK. This should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed for some reason, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it should now fix it for you. Now your problem should be fixed.